On World Biofuel Day, let's look at a groundbreaking research done by Indian scientists. A study published in the journal Biofuels suggested a strategy that could help to mitigate the problem of dumped PPE kits, which are currently being disposed of at unprecedented levels due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The research from the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies from Uttarakhand shows how billions of items of disposable PPE kits can be converted from its plastic state into biofuels. The transformation into biocrude, a type of synthetic fuel, will not just prevent the severe after effects to humankind and the environment, but also produce a source of energy. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, there is high production and utilization of PPE. Once these plastic materials are discharged into the environment, they end up in landfills or oceans as their natural degradation is difficult at ambient temperature. They need decades to decompose. According to the findings of the research team, the PPE waste can be converted into fuel using pyrolysis. This is a chemical process for breaking down the plastic at high temperature between 300 to 400 degrees centigrade for an hour without oxygen. According to the researchers, this process is among the most promising and sustainable methods of recycling compared to incineration or landfill.